Looking for quality earphones without the constant fear of losing one? In this video, I'm bringing you my review of the Beats Flex. The first key aspect of the Beats Flex is its neckband design, built with a memory alloy called nitinol, which allows you to bend or pocket them without the cable deforming or getting tangled. They weigh an impressively light 18.6 grams, making them ideal for wearing for hours without any discomfort. In the box, you get 4 different sizes of silicone ear tips to achieve good passive noise isolation, regardless of each ear's size. One of the most practical features are the magnetic earbuds. When you take them off and snap them together, the music will automatically pause, and when you separate them again to put them in your ears, playback will resume immediately. Also, on the cable modules, we find the physical control buttons, which allow us to raise and lower the volume, as well as play and pause, and answer and end calls. Inside, they house Apple's W1 chip, along with a Class 1 Bluetooth module, offering a stable, long-range connection without interruptions. For iOS users, pairing is almost instant. Simply turn them on near your iPhone and the setup window will appear, enabling automatic syncing with all your devices through iCloud and also the audio sharing feature with other headphones of the same brand. On the other hand, compatibility with Android devices is fully guaranteed. We can connect them normally via Bluetooth, and through the Beats app available on the Play Store, we can control things like software updates and battery level. On top of that, it's compatible with the Find My app on iOS devices, which lets you locate the headphones using a sound or spot them on a map if you can't find them or they've gone missing. Before we go on, if you've been wondering where these cool t-shirts I wear in my videos come from, here's your answer. They're from Pampling. Pampling is the most complete website on the entire internet for finding geeky t-shirts and a ton of other merch. On the site, you can find t-shirts and all kinds of merchandise, from video games, anime, movies, and TV shows to simpler designs or just funny ones. The prices are super good. You can find great quality t-shirts from around 10 euros and even cheaper when they're on sale. And as you can see, they also have cool stuff like thermal bottles. And best of all, by using the code Pakiu on any order you place on the website with no minimum spend, you always get a free pair of socks. And now let's get back to the video. On the acoustic side, they feature a 2-piece driver with a dual chamber enclosure, an architecture designed to deliver a well-balanced frequency response. These headphones prioritize clarity above all, where the highs and mids sound excellent, offering very high clarity in vocals. This makes them a great option for listening to music, podcasts, or videos. For calls, they integrate a microphone with wind noise reduction technology that works more than well enough for indoor conversations or moderate urban environments. As for the battery, we get up to 12 hours of continuous playback on a single charge, a figure that easily handles more than a full day of heavy use, as long as we keep the volume at a medium level. Charging is done via a USB Type-C port. And on top of that, if you run out of battery midday, they feature the Fast Fuel Rapid Charging System, capable of providing up to an hour and a half of battery life with just 10 minutes of charging. Finally, you can find them priced between about 70 and 80 euros. Obviously, that's not a budget price, but it's true that the Beats Flex show us that you can have great stability within the Apple ecosystem, great battery life, and connectivity without any kind of issues. Plus, their around-the-neck cable design offers a level of security and comfort that other headphones simply don't, giving you the peace of mind that you'll never lose them. What about you? Do you prefer this type of headphones, or do you prefer the typical independent, true wireless ones?